I got your back.
Okay, Judge, you're on. Yes. Thank you, Alex. All right. Okay, there we go.
All right, are we on? Oops.
Yes, we're on, Judge. On my end, I can see we're live, so there we
Okay.
go.
All right, Mr. Ornelas, raise your right hand for me, sir. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear.
All right, Mr. Ornelas, is it all right with you, sir, that we proceed with your hearing on this Zoom platform rather than in person?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Ornelas, you are charged by information in this case with the offense of evading arrest or detention. Do you understand that charge against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a Class A misdemeanor, Mr. Ornelas, so it's punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Barrett County Jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ornelas, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Ornelas, what that means, sir, is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, or Mr. O'Donnell can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Ornelas, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Ornelas, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you also understand, Mr. Ornelas, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
But if you want to give up your rights, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork that I've shared with you called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Ornelas, did you go over this paperwork in detail before you signed it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes.
All right, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ornelas, is that what you wish to do?
Yes.
All right, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Tara, are we on YouTube? Can you tell?
Yes, I see it. Yes, Judge, we're live.
Okay, good. All right, Mr. Ornelas, it appears you have a plea bargain in this case. The first thing you need to understand, sir, is I don't have to go along with your plea bargain. However, if I don't go along with your plea bargain for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ornelas, please listen up. The prosecutor is going to read the plea bargain to us, okay?
Okay.
All right, Jonathan, what's the plea bargain?
Yes, Judge. It's a $0 fine plus court cost, 9 days, Barrett County Jail, credit for time served. We'd ask the time and money run concurrent if the judgment be satisfied.
Mr. O'Donnell, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ornelas, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Brian, does Mr. Ornelas have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Jeremiah Ornelas, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ornelas, please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest or detention. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Ornelas, you understand no contest plea. I can still find you guilty in this case.
Yes, Your Honor.
But after talking with your lawyer and given this plea bargain, have you decided it's in your own best interest to plead no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Ornelas. I will accept your plea, and just give me one moment here to catch up with the paperwork here.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Hang on just a second. Okay, Mr. Ornelas, on your plea of no contest, find you guilty of the offense of evading arrest or detention. Having made that finding, I assess punishment at $0 fine, the cost of court, and 9 days in the Barrett County Jail. I will run the cost of court and the time concurrent. I will give you credit for all the time that you have served. So this judgment is satisfied by the time that you've already served. Mr. Ornelas, this was a plea bargain situation. You have no right to appeal. Mr. Ornelas, do you have any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well when you get out, all right?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Brian, always a pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You may. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Ornelas, to the deputies, you're done.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
All right, now let me catch up with some paperwork here. Signature request. I guess we can, no more, we don't need to be live anymore, right?
Right, Judge, you can take all that off and
Yeah, you were right. I was on there because it says